Hi, this is Dr. Tim Smith from New Life Chiropractic, your max living doctor. Here in May is Women's Health Month. We have all kinds of great stuff like Women's Health Week. We have Mother's Day coming up. In fact, this week is our Friends and Family Week. So all you moms, grandmas, aunts, sisters, cousins, we want to help each and every one of you live the best life possible, have restored vitality, energy, and really the health potential that you deserve. Because what I see here in our practice is that many women, moms, grandmas, everyone else, they spend so much time taking care of those people around them. They're so loving and giving, and they have such a heart to really serve that they kind of forget to take care of themselves sometimes. And I see so many common health issues that are preventable and that we can actually help with in a more natural way. Things like headaches and migraines are so common. Lowered metabolism and weight gain, higher stress response, digestive issues, hormonal imbalances, inflammatory issues that are going on that are really taking you away from being the best version of yourself. So what we want to focus on is really, how does your body work? One of the things that most people don't understand is health isn't about your genetics. It's not about how old you are or your gender. It's not about your family history or bad luck. Health is all about your lifestyle. How much stress you're under, how many things you're doing on a preventative, proactive basis to really minimize that stress and help your body function better. And really, how is the most important system in your body functioning? This is your nervous system. Your brain, your nervous system is designed to coordinate all function in your body. Your body's designed to be self-healing and self-regulating. So under optimum conditions, we're all designed to live over 100 years, healthy with vitality, not sick and suffering, not with 5 different conditions, not being on a handful of medications or being in pain or tired or in a state of dysfunction all day, every day. And that's really why we're doing this Women's Health Week, because we want to help you, your family, those that you care about, get back to living to your true potential, get to the root cause of exactly what's going on, and start creating healthy habits around the 5 essentials of health you see behind me. Having a healthy mindset where you put yourself first, you have a plan, right? And you know exactly what you're focusing on. Healthy habits to minimize stress like meditation, journaling, gratitude, having healthy relationships around you. Also being able to support the health and function of your brain and nervous system through corrective chiropractic care. Most people don't know that chiropractic care isn't about treating neck or back pain. It's about supporting the healthy function of your spine and nervous system, because your spine actually regulates and controls the function of your brain and nervous system. And when you have a condition called subluxation, where your spine is out of its normal alignment, it's not moving or functioning properly, you would notice this as poor posture. Maybe you see that one side of your shoulders or hips are tilted in one direction, or your head or back is shifted forward. You might notice pain in certain types of movement. You might notice that you can't move all the way, like you can't turn over your shoulder to look backing out of the driveway. You can't bend over all the time. When you're doing certain activities, it hurts, or some old issues start to flare up. These are warning signs of subluxation, which is much more than a muscle or a back problem. It's a health problem. And for many people, these areas of subluxation is actually the root cause of why they have health issue, something that no doctor addresses. No medication or even supplement is going to fix. There's no stretch or exercise to be able to fix that. Only chiropractors are specifically trained to find and correct subluxation. And with our corrective care model here, we really focus on restoring that function, not just for a temporary relief, not to manage or treat some type of a condition, but to really restore the natural healthy function of your body, where your nervous system is able to do what it's designed to, which is heal, repair, and regenerate for optimum function. And then once we have this functioning well, we can really improve the quality of your nutrition. Have a specific plan, not a diet or some quick fix, but a nutrition plan that you can live on. A good fitness routine where you're moving consistently, strengthening your body, challenging yourself in the right way. That doesn't create injury or more pain, but really helps you be stronger to be able to do more. And then to find and minimize the toxic stresses that exist all around us and help replacing that with natural, more healthy type of products. This 5 essentials approach is exactly why we're seeing amazing life-changing results here in our office every day. Sometimes women have been to multiple doctors, suffering with issue for months, years, even decades, and this is the place where they find the solution. Whether that's lifetime headaches and migraines, whether that's menstrual issues, whether that's severe digestive problems, fibromyalgia, not sleeping, low energy, low metabolism, whatever it may be, there could be a natural drug-free solution. So if you, someone you care about, someone in your life could benefit from this type of healthcare, would enjoy being healthier, having more vitality, would like to maybe find a way to get off medications, to get a natural solution to some kind of health issue, medical problem, disease issue, or really just want to be the best version of themselves, we have a great opportunity to be able to do that here in our Friends and Family Week this week. We're going to be having all kinds of great stuff, all kinds of information about women's health, posting consistently just to help you, your family, those you care about, be your absolute best. Check us out online at newlifechiropracticrockland.com with more information about our Friends and Family Week. We have hundreds of videos here on our YouTube channel all about natural healthy solutions to empower you and your family to live the best life naturally. Thanks for joining us.